Hi, good day. Today we're going to talk about the 3 pillars of health. Just like a table, you need to have minimum 3 legs to support it, only then it can be stable. Just like our health, we need to have 3 pillars to support, only then you can be healthy. The first pillar of health is gene, or we call genetic. A lot of people mistaken thinking that if your parents have certain disease, it will pass down directly to the son and daughter, whereby it's untrue. For example, if the dad have heart attack, will the son be born directly with a heart attack? The answer is no, because we still need to look at the mother. If mother is passing down the good gene, the son will be born healthy. So from this example, you know that we inherit the gene from our parents, we don't inherit the disease. So we need to take good care of the gene so it will not form into a disease later on. So what we can do? Can we change our gene? Nope, we can't change our gene, but we can always repair and maintain our gene. How can we achieve that? The answer in nutrition is very simple. All you need to have is a very specific nutrient called nucleic acid. This nutrient is used to build up the entire gene and DNA. So with this nutrient sufficient, your gene can be self-repaired and self-maintained. The second pillar of health is our lifestyle. We already know a lot of unhealthy lifestyle, for example like smoking, drinking too much alcohol, really burden the body, causing a lot of diseases. Among these, the most serious is stress. You might look down on stress thinking that it's no big deal, but stress disrupts our natural circadian rhythm, or we call it biological clock. Our body is destined to have certain time for certain things. That is time to sleep, time to wake up, time to eat, time to pass bowel. But when the body has too much stress, this all will be disrupted, everything will be haywire. Then what you're going to experience? You will start to experience like not eating the whole day, but you don't feel hungry. Eating a lot, but still can eat some more. The worst part is you are very tired, you can't fall asleep. We call it insomnia. And at the same time, some people sleep the entire day and still do not feel energetic. This is the result of having too much stress in the body. In the long run, you'll have more diseases. That's why distress is the answer. You need to relax and distress a bit more. What you can do? You can actually go to relaxation center or spa, and the first thing you notice is a very familiar smell, the smell of lavender. Why lavender? This scent will go directly to the limbic system in your brain and help you calm the nerve and help you distress, because the limbic system controls stress level. And today I want to share with you, there's another scent that's equivalent or even stronger compared to lavender, whereby it's agarwood. Agarwood has been proven to calm the nerves very effectively, at the same time promote good quality of sleep. So for the second part about lifestyle, we need to de-stress, and you can try aromatherapy, you can use lavender or even agarwood. The third pillar of health is our diet. You are what you eat. What's wrong with our diet nowadays? The first issue is eating too much. You can see that diabetes related to eating too much sugar, high blood pressure, too much salt, heart attack and cholesterol level, too much of fried and oily food. Eating too much is one of the main issues. Second, we have this processed food. We're eating too much of this processed food. Processing removes all the nutrients or most of the nutrients found naturally in our food, and then substitute by adding back a lot of chemicals into it, including a lot of preservative, colorings and flavorings, making the food lack of nutrients. And the third thing related to our diet is we lack the knowledge of nutrition. We don't know how much to eat, what to eat, and the most important, how to eat. So without this information, without this knowledge, how we know we are eating healthily? So for the third part about our diet, all we need to do now is increase our knowledge in nutrition, so we know what type of food to eat, what to eat more, what to eat less, and how to complete the food having a balanced nutrition. So today, we already learned about the 3 pillars of health, whereby the first pillar is gene. We only inherit the gene, we don't inherit the disease. So what we can do with our gene, we can always self-repair and maintain it through the right nutrients, nucleic acid. And second, we talk about lifestyle. Lifestyle is all about stress at the moment. You need to relax a bit more, distress a bit more. You can use aromatherapy, especially lavender, or even better, you can try out agarwood to have you calm down a little bit, sleep better. And the third pillar of health we talk about is our diet. All we need to do now is increase our knowledge in nutrition so we will know what to eat, how to eat, and the right amount to eat in order for our body to be healthy. Until the next episode, see you. Today, we already know the 3 pillars of health. But where do we start? For the next episode, I'm going to share with you the secret to great health by just focusing on one body component. See you then.